Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term stock characters. Introduction. In literature, stock characters are recurring character types that are recognizable and familiar within a particular literary genre or tradition. These characters often embody specific traits and behaviors that conform to the conventions of the form, providing a sense of familiarity and predictability for the audience. This video delves into the concept of stock characters, their historical origins, and their enduring presence in various literary works. Historical roots of stock characters. The origin of stock characters can be traced back to ancient Greek comedy, particularly in the works of Aristophanes. In the old comedy, three primary stock characters were prominent: the Alazon, the Iron, and the Bomolokos. The Alagon was an impostor, a braggart who deceived himself and others. The Iron was a self-derogatory character who understated their abilities and often engaged in witty contests with the Alazon. The Bomolokos was a buffoon, adding an extra comedic element to the interactions between the Alazon and the Iron. Stock characters in different literary eras. Throughout literary history, stock characters have persisted and evolved across different periods and genres. In Elizabethan romantic comedies such as Shakespeare's As You Like It and Twelfth Night, heroines often disguised themselves as handsome young men, contributing to the comedic plot. The clever servant was another common stock character in Elizabethan comedy of intrigue, exemplified by characters like Mosca in Ben Jonson's Volpone. This servant would connive with their master to deceive another stock character, the gullible fool. During the 19th century, comedy in both stage productions and fiction made use of the stock Englishman with a monocle, an exaggerated Oxford accent, and a limited sense of humor. In Western stories and films, the tight-lipped sheriff, relying on their gun to settle disputes, became a recognizable archetype. Another stock character emerged in the works of Ernest Hemingway, the stoical hero, unillusioned yet faithful to a primal code of honor and loyalty in the face of a corrupt civilization. In more recent literature, the beat or hipster protagonist emerged as a stock character. This character, often disillusioned with the establishment and perhaps aided by drugs, chooses to live outside mainstream society. Artistic implications of stock characters. In certain literary forms such as morality plays and Ben Jonson's comedy of humors, type characters and stock characters suffice for the artistic purpose. However, even in realistic literary forms, the success of a character depends on how well the established type is recreated as a convincing individual who fulfills their function in the overall plot. Shakespeare's Falstaff, for example, incorporates elements from the wise character in medieval morality plays and the braggart soldier in classical comedies. Yet he emerges as a vivid and complex character with distinct personality traits and motivations. Conclusion. Stock characters have been a recurring feature in literature, serving to fulfill specific roles and familiarity to different genres. They have their origins in ancient Greek comedy and have persisted through various literary eras. While some literary forms may rely on stock characters to fulfill their artistic aims, the success of a character ultimately lies in their individuality and how well they contribute to the overall narrative. So this was the discussion on the term stock characters. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.